Nah, set setengah 11 bro sekarang. Mari setup thumbnail dulu kita. Yuk. Discord. Halo.
Halo.
Masih hidup ternyata.
Baru main gitar cuy, kenapa anda masuk? Jadi dah.
Aku keluar ya kok.
Ya udah ya.
Dah. Sen. Ya udah. Mari kita gas langsung. Yuk. Mari gas kak. Aduh. Brightnessnya. Assalamualaikum bot. Tidur bot. Astagfirullah. Halo bang, halo. Kenapa yang muncul malah bocil-bocil? Cuk. Ya, saya streaming setengah 11 malam ini. Mau naik kah? Boleh. Aduh. Kan. Cuma live bentar kak bang. Ya, bentarnya saya tidak tahu sebentarnya bagaimana. Let's go, dapat treasure. Nice. Apa ini? Nggak tahu saya apaan ini. Tidak tahu. Dah. Berarti ini udah. Jalan lagi. Let's go, jalan lagi. Berapa lama bang live ya? Nggak tahu. Ya, kalau misalkan aku udah capek atau udah bosen, ya udahan. Aduh, senggol cok.
Wait, Sully, you're telling me that you actually did some research? Can't let you be the know-it-all every time.
Kita kemana? Kanan deh, coba. Oke, bener kan. Video kamera assist available. Buntu. Cari jalan lain, cari jalan lain. Kayak kita bisa naik jembatan ini ya, dari situ.
This thing come with airbag, parachutes.
This looks promising. Come on, baby. Let's go, 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 go.
Lumpur. Sip. Naik. Bisa.
Made it.
Nice one. Come on. Ayo.
Okay,
Moga-moga nggak ada yang
don't drop us.
moga-moga jangan ada yang
Keep
aneh-aneh.
it slow. Keep it in the center. Yeah, there's a lot of backseat driving going on.
Oh,
We're good. Everything's good.
Jesus Christ.
hampir jatuh kawan-kawan. Bang main Hitman biar emosi kayak waktu itu jangan. Enggak, aku udah tamat main sendiri Hitman.
Onward and upward.
Let's go. Kita ke atas sana. Yuk.
Let's not get stuck
Nggak
in
bisa.
nowhere fast.
Nanti ke kanan sini. Ada batu-batunya soalnya. Nice.
Okay.
Ini kah?
I'm getting the hang of this.
Don't spin out now.
Naik, bisa naik. Oh, come on. Bisa. Bisa. Lewat sini bisa.
There we go.
Nice. Lumpur, bro. Licin sekali. Aduh, kan.
Jesus. Oh, my spine.
Hitman bahaya semua, bro. Hitman bahaya. Kita kemana? Seberang. Ke sini.
Look, tire tracks.
Oh iya, bener.
Someone
Sini.
came up this way.
Let's go.
Hey,
Oh,
look up
3
there
itu
on
dia
the hill.
towernya.
Got a
Seperti
tower
ini.
or something.
Now we're talking.
Now we're talking. Hitman bayar semua ya. Kalau misalkan Hitman 2-nya
Hey, Victor,
kan aku udah
what were you
punya.
arguing with the
Jadi
rental
nggak
guy?
bayar. Yang bayar tuh
Your brother
DLC-nya.
insisted on getting a 4x4 with a winch.
So you
Jalan
swung for the
ceritanya
winch
yang
when you
bayar.
couldn't spring for the
Oops.
suspension. I got it. Hey, it's important. Going off-road, it might rain, might be muddy.
Ini bisa ke kanan.
Thing and
See?
Aduh. Oke.
take
Easy.
this slow, kid.
Yeah.
Easy, mundur dulu. Oke. Nice.
So Nathan, you're thinking Avery, too, and some other big shot pirates pooled their treasure and came out here because why exactly? Who knows? Maybe for protection? British authorities were closing in on them.
Apa itu binatang apa,
Maybe
Cok?
he helped them disappear. I mean, the guy clearly
Eng.
attacked their hiding place.
Oke, bisa turun. Oke. Oke. Here we go. Ipul kalah jadi gamut. Sabar, bro. Kenapa udah gak main FIFA? Oh iya, main FIFA.
That was a
Lupa.
valiant effort.
Soalnya sekarang PES lagi seru sih. Oh, tidak bisa.
Let's go check out
Ya,
that
tadi.
tower. I'll come with.
Nah, kan ada
Some big
beginian.
plans for this winch. It's in pretty good shape for something several hundred years old.
Pintar sekali.
Definitely ruins
Ada
from Avery's
towingnya
tower.
seperti ini. Oke, mari. Kita kaitkan.
Do it.
Aduh, basah aja nih.
Steeper than it
Udah
looks.
basah. Apa namanya? Kotor aja nih.
Alright, ready?
Give it a
Let's
shot.
go.
Here we go.
Iya juga sih, bener PES lebih enak, gak tau kenapa. Enggak, aku lagi suka main PES aja. Akhir-akhir ini emang. Anjir, kirain gue siapa ya Allah.
Winch, totally worth it.
Dia lari begitu loh si Sam.
Exactly paid for itself.
Sabar ya.
Well, yeah.
Seperti biasa kita explore
I'll celebrate.
ini dulu.
I just gotta put the winch back and we'll be on our way. Sam,
Naga.
look, it's Christopher Condon.
Christopher Condon Siegel.
The fiery dragon operated out of Madagascar
Kayak seru
around
aja.
this time. So maybe
Minggu lalu nggak main bola, iya, karena Liverpool kan kalah. Ntar Liverpool main jam 1:45 kalau nggak salah lawan Leeds United besok pagi. Nothing. Oh, oke, ada treasure. Apa itu, badak? Nice. Yuk jalan lagi yuk. Jangan lupa itunya dilepas dulu. Let's go. Jalan lagi. Bang, masih inget gak yang cewek 2 tahun lalu yang tiba-tiba diserang terus? Yang waktu kita kita baru masuk ruangan kan. That's it. View-nya keren sekali.
No, they wanted to live as free men. Well, if you're gonna pick a place to run away from society, you could do a lot worse than here.
Sangat. Oh ya benar, kesini. Yuk. Mandiin dulu kali ya.
Patience, Victor, patience. Do you know how those pirates got here? They had to start in England, sail to Brazil, then cut back across the Atlantic to South Africa.
Kacanya kotor gitu.
All that out with paper, charts, and by looking at the stars.
Hey, you're describing sailing to a former squid.
We got it pretty easy.
Yeah.
Let's go. That's shit.
Stop.
Anak buahnya Rafe kah? Jadi thumbnail tuh pemandangannya aja. Lupa aku. Yang mana lupa. Tapi pas masuk diserang ditusuk tuh inget si Zasman yang di ini. Si Zasman kan yang ditusuk. Teman kita yang bawa medik. No toxic ya. Maaf.
What's the play here, Nathan? Just follow my lead.
Just follow my lead. Okay. Let's go. Berarti kita sneaky lagi. Melawan manusia-manusia ini. Ups, ada sniper. Oh, kayaknya nggak ngeliat kesini sniper. Dan by the way, saya main di hard. Dan jangan asal. Kayaknya kita harus take down yang sniper dulu nggak sih? Ini lewatin dulu, soalnya ada di sini, ada orang di atas sini. Atau kita take down aja ya? Jangan deh, ada orang sini nih atas sini. Nah kan, itu dia tuh yang saya takuti. Oh shit, oh no. Nah, susah. Mati. Oke. Coba ulang. Bang, jangan toxic. Maaf. Mungkin kita bisa take down yang ini dulu. Sip. Ada grenade. Nice. Tuh. Apakah dia bakal nyadar? Oh enggak, untung aja. Kirain nyadar. Yang ini nih. Oh shit. Astagfirullahaladzim. Maaf. Mana RPG? Bang jatuh, bang gak kerasa aja main Spiderman itu udah 6 bulan yang lalu. Emang ya? Itu pas waktu liburan sih. Astagfirullahaladzim, astagfirullahaladzim, banyak sekali. Kenapa banyak sekali? Aduh, why harus ketahuan? Astagfirullahaladzim. Oke, nggak apa, ulang lagi. Astaga. Oh, udah mati di situ. Tapi kita nggak dapet. Aduh, ketahuan terus bro. Aduh. RPG, hati-hati. Aduh, sakit sekali. Nggak ada kan situ. Awas, kakek. Aduh, tinggal tiga. Ammo tinggal 3, nggak ada ammo lagi. Nice. Sheesh. Kita harus gerak sih, ini nggak bisa nih kayak gini. Harus gerak. Awas, sniper. Cover. Take cover. Ya Allah. Nice. Sniper. Nice. No, awas. Mana lagi? Oh, itu. No. Nggak kena. Aman. Yes. Kecil terus. Nice.
Okay. I think that's it.
Udah ada kelar. Oke, sip. Udah kelar nih. Udah. Bang nggak kerasa. Oh, itu yang tadi, Cok. File Mazur LDR. Aduh, ada gentong padahal di situ. Bisa diambil. Naik ke atasnya gimana ya, halo? Sepertinya, nah ini dia. Oke, ini ada file lagi. Sepertinya bakal sip. Untung aja. Kemana lagi kita? Kemana lagi kita? Ini. Nice. Loh, nggak ada bedanya. Cara naik ke atas sana gimana, Bre? Halo. Ini kah? Oke, sip. Bisa gitu loh, Nathan Drake. RPG, ini masih RPG. Satu lantai lagi ada sniper. Kalau nggak salah tadi di atas. Siapa tahu ada barang yang bagus. Tidak ada apa-apa. Masih ada satu lantai lagi.
Looks like that bridge leads back to the trail.
Oh iya. Tahu. Saya mau explore aja dulu. Di atas ini ada apa? Oh, langsung zipline. Bang Izal siapa ya? Apa tuh, Bang? Di dalam sini ya? Nggak ada apa-apa. Oh, ada. Nih. Logo.
Look, another sigil.
Sigil. Adam Baldrich.
Traitor, slaver, general scoundrel. Look at you. Prison, a lot of books.
Prison, a lot of books. Ya ampun, dia santai aja loh. Si Sullivan. Sullivan. Kok si Nate agak pincang ya kayaknya ya? Tuh. Apa enggak? Berarti ini ammo 60. Ini 30. Tuh, agak pincang kayaknya ya. Si Nate. Nah, ini boleh ambil. Nice. Dah. Ama ada file kayaknya ada di atas itu. Tadi. Di atas sini ada. Oh, tidak ada. Oh, ada. Ini kan. Bener. Oh. Nice. Dah, yuk balik ke mobil. Ini Rafika, nice. Pincang, Bang, iya kan? Kayak pincang gitu kan? Tuh. Kenapa pincang ya? Gue seumur-umur main Uncharted baru ngelihat karakternya bisa pingsan. Tuh. Kurang tahu deh saya deh. Yuk, mari kita lanjut. Berarti kita lewat jembatan itu. Sebenarnya ini kita bisa lewatin gak sih? Kita langsung ke jembatan. Bisa-bisa aja sih sebenarnya. Please jangan jatuh. Baru dibilang jangan jatuh. Oke, itu ada petunjuknya. Ada logo-logo lambang-lambang seperti ini. Coba kita puterin. Dia apa ini? Tarik kah? Kayaknya ditarik deh. Supaya ininya jatuh. Oh ya, I see. Oke, yuk tarik. Tarik terus. Sampai jatuh. Supaya Oke. Sip. I know. Saya tahu. Aku tahu. Nah, lingkar. Sip. Jadi tanjakan, iya betul, jadi tanjakan. Pintar Anda. Turun. Yes, itu dia.
Again with the winch, Sully. Pretty handy, right?
I wasn't against getting the winch. I was against getting ripped
Oke, bermain dengan lumpur lagi sepertinya kita.
I got mud in my mouth.
suspensinya
Sully, just how well
kena
do you
tuh
know
kalau
Nadine?
misalkan
Why?
I was thinking maybe you can
kanan
contact
kanan.
her, convince her to call off her goons.
Yeah, right.
What if we promise her a bigger cut than Rafe?
No, that's not how she operates. She's more of a money up front kind of person.
View-nya keren sekali. Nah lo,
Yeah,
Shoreline.
they're definitely going all
Shoreline
in.
berarti
And
pasukannya
getting
si
awful close
ini
to
ya.
that volcano.
Saying the same damn thing.
Si satu lagi Nadine kalau nggak salah.
Oh, look, they're searching every
Sepertinya
inch of this
soalnya
place. If they'd
si
found it
Nadine
already,
pakai
they would
seragam
be
kayak gitu
searching.
kan.
Yeah, you're right.
Hey, Sam,
Sip, ayo.
you don't mind me asking, how'd you pass the time in prison?
You know, reading mostly. There was this one guard saw me as a charity case, I guess. He had a check out
Sepertinya kita bakal ada perang lagi nih.
What'd you read?
history, especially anything related to Avery
Oop.
and other pirates, just in case, you know.
Sure.
Kita kemana?
Besides books,
Kayaknya naik ke sana deh.
push-ups, smoking, trying to stay out of fights between rival gangs. It's a whole lot of thinking. It's pretty much
Ini
it.
game tentang apa bang? Ini tentang kita nyari harta karun.
Sam, if you had a guard doing you
Harta
favors,
karunnya
why didn't
si
you use him
bajak
to get
laut.
word to us?
Bajak
Oh,
lautnya
that's right.
namanya
I
Avery.
asked him to mail a letter
Nah,
to
apa
your
objek
boss.
yang kita cari itu semacam
Probably
kapal
because the warden saw
yang
it.
ditinggalin
That
sama
must
si
have
Avery.
pretty bad. Never saw that
Katanya
guard again.
Jesus.
banyak
I got my
hartanya,
own back when the warden
gitu.
decided to room me with Alcazar. That didn't turn out how
Banyak
I expected.
emas, banyak ya segala macam yang berharga.
You know, come to think of it, I actually dealt with Alcazar a few decades ago, even before I met you two.
Oh shit! How are you still alive?
Well, he wasn't quite the man he is today. Still working his way up. the
Sepertinya
criminal
kesini.
ladder there. I sold his boss a few woodcut prints I'd smuggled out of Japan. He was into shoguns and such.
Kita di atas sekarang.
Alcazar was
Let's
the
go.
go-between.
What was it, check
Kayak
it
ada
out, boys.
kayak gini,
What
kayak
is
kayak
it?
ginian, kayak gini-ginian. Kayaknya worth it untuk kita naiki atau kita apain gitu minimal. Sip. Menarik nih. Nah, kan ada treasure. Nice, dah. Hampir aja. Yuk. Mari kita lanjut lagi. Mungkin agak membosankan, cuma pas perang kan tegang sekali. Ada puzzle-nya nggak bang? Ada. Cuma saya belum pernah stuck sama puzzle yang ada di game ini.
Hey guys, there's another
Okay,
tower
here
just
we
over the
go
hill.
again.
See any shoreline marks?
Can't tell. Well, it would appear we got here first. Let's check the place out and keep moving. Drawbridge. How medieval.
Yeah. Well, you
Okay,
don't put up a drawbridge.
Berarti ini si Shoreline belum nyampe sini dan ini feeling gue sih bakal ada perang coy di sini. Nggak mungkin mereka game membuat konstruktur seperti ini tanpa adanya perang. Gimana sih? Tanpa dibuat perang. Apa tuh? Check this out. Apa tuh?
Well, the stairs are busted. There's no way up to the crank. Let's see if I can find something to stand on.
Bagaimana kita ke atas sana? Tidak semudah itu ternyata. Yuk. Ini bisa dicatat dulu. Sigil.
Recognize this one? I do actually.
Anemone.
Operated out of the Caribbean.
Nah, ini mungkin bakal jadi puzzle
Just tell us.
yang kayak gini-gini nih.
Avery must have invited
Gambar-gambar kayak gini. Mungkin ya. Oke. Nice. Setelah itu kita bisa naik sini. Yuk. Hampir jatuh, bre. retak begituannya, astaga.
There's a massive tower just past the drawbridge. Biggest one yet.
Sepertinya itu tower yang Oke, ayo. Oke, package special delivery. Spesial banget tuh. Oke. Berarti kita naikin jembatannya. Loh, si Sam mana? Lah, kok dia turun? Astaga. Yuk, mari.
You two just relax. I got this. There's only one trying, you know.
Ya, oke lah. Oh, ada shoreline. Oke.
Come out. Promise to make it quick for ya.
Just take it easy. Pelan-pelan aja, pelan. Oke, kita mulai dari belakang mungkin. Oke, iya benar. Mereka belum bisa nyebrang ke sini sih. Nah, itu dia. Dapat satu. Oh shit. No. Ada yang lihat aja. Astagfirullah. Nice and easy. Ayo. Sabar. Sam itu. Nice. Jangan gitu. Aduh. Oke, Rafika sepertinya burst ya senjatanya. Ganti Val aja. Nice. Oh no. Shit. Nice. Naik. Coba ganti sniper. Oh no. Kok nggak bisa ngeker ya pakai scope? Buset, karakternya kuat manjat. Ya, seperti itulah. Oh, belum ketahuan. Posisi kita belum ketahuan. Ada 1, 2. Ada dua. Oke. Dia ke sana. Kalau misalkan dia ke sana, saya ke sini mutar. Nice. Itu dia. That's how you do it. Aduh. Oh, no. Okay. More of them. Datang lagi. Oh, kemana dia? Sip, itu dia. Nice. Let's go. Mana lagi? Oke. Mereka di sana. Saya sudah di sini, mereka ke sana. Aduh, ketemu lagi tuh. Oh no no, no. Really? Really, dude. Aduh, gua ngeri meledak dah beginian, datang dah. Coba nih. Sniper. Nah, ini bisa. Oh shit. Behind me. No. Aduh. Nice, terima kasih Sam. Terima kasih banyak. Pelontar. Wah, nggak bisa di sini. Lari. Mati. Dari belakang. Aduh, nggak bisa di sini. Lari lagi. Under kanan. No. No. Nice. Oh, granat. Dalam sini ada tadi. Oke. Nice. Night. Reload nggak bisa reload. Mana lagi sih? Ganti AK. Oke, dekat sini. Dekat sini. Ada suara. Oh, itu. Tinggal one more. Satu lagi. Naik. One more. Hai. Udah? Clear? Oh, belum. Sampai patah loh, gila begituan. Udah? Clear? Oke, let's go. Udah clear. Aye. Come on. Let's go just like. Ada barok loh di situ loh. Bagaimana saya tidak mengambil barok itu? Gila, keras. Apa tuh keras? Apa tuh? Let's go. Ya. Come on. Ini apa sih? Dari tadi gue penasaran banget dah main dah. Oh, cuma turun ke bawah. Astaga, kirain ada ruangan rahasia atau gimana gitu. Ternyata tidak. Sudah. Kita naik lagi. Yuk. Buka jembatan ya. Semoga tidak ada yang datang lagi. Sudah roboh. Udah. Loh, mereka nggak mau majuin mobil lagi tuh loh. Harus gua lagi yang majuin. Astaga. Pemalas. Yuk. Let's go. Yuk. Here we go. Again.
Big tower on a volcano. Looks like the end's in sight, huh? Shit!
Jalannya tidak bagus ternyata.
Not to nitpick, but Avery spent all that money on towers. Would it have killed him to put a guardrail
Aduh.
up here?
Ngegasruk.
Sorry.
Yang tadi nyerang kelompok lain ya bang? Iya betul, itu kelompok mereka yang punya duit untuk bayar pasukan. Kalau kita kan modalnya otak, kalau mereka modalnya pasukan, duit.
No, turn into it.
Gitu, makanya mereka cara dapetin harta karunnya nyewa pasukan yang begitu banyak. Kira-kira kayak gitu. Bisa turun? Kayaknya bisa turun bentar dulu. Kayaknya kita naik tangga itulah gitu. Bau-baunya sih kayak gitu.
Let's take a look around.
So just how much do you owe Alcazar?
Half.
What?
Well, he only knows about the guns right now.
Which is good for him.
Ada batu ini yang ngalangin. Nggak bisa. Gimana ya? Nah ini nih puzzle-puzzle seperti ini memang terkadang. Coba. Mobilnya diapain ya? Mungkin lewat samping kanan situ. Bener nggak bisa, Bray.
Hey Nathan, that tree up there looks like a good anchor point.
Itu kan, pohon itu kan, iya. Saya juga tahu, cuma talinya nggak muat ke sana. Sabar. Coba lagi deh. Loh, tadi nggak nyampe, sekarang nyampe kayak mana lah? Astagfirullah. Yuk. Kirain harus muter otak lagi. Ternyata tidak perlu. Dah,
All set.
let's go.
Here we go.
All set. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. No, batunya. Oh. Oke.
Don't panic.
Oke.
Don't panic.
Don't panic gimana? Baru panicking. Oh.
I got you. I got you.
Hold tight. Come on. Ayo, naik lagi. Nathan. Naik. Lewat mana nih cok naiknya? Halo. Astagfirullahaladzim, mati konyol.
Don't panic. Don't panic. Hit the gas. Pull us up.
Bagaimana itu tadi naiknya?
I got you.
Oke, bisa lewat sini. Oh, gini. Tinggal naik doang. Come on. Ayo. Nate, come on. Ayo. Untung pohonnya kuat.
Hang on. Not very full of face on load of quick blessings of the above so many blessings.
Dia berdoa loh. Easy. Oke, there we go.
That was fun, right?
Yeah, but I'm definitely sharing this one with my shrink.
You have a shrink?
No, but I will after this.
Come on, you guys are overreacting. The whole thing under
Overreacting. Padahal udah mau jatuh gitu ya, masih bilang overreacting. Sama si Nate.
to something.
Oh. Come on. Cepat. Cepet, udah goyang.
Change of pace. Yeah, I'm almost disappointed.
Oke, here we go.
Now, let's find our way in. Let's go claim our treasure, boys.
Disajikan lagi view yang begitu indah sama Naughty Dog.
Get in that way.
Ini kah bisa masuk lewat sini?
Sam, give me a hand with this. Yeah.
Tuh, 2, 3. Tuh, 2, 3. Let's go. Masuk. Yuk. Oke.
Let's see what we got here.
Let's see what we got. Kayaknya bukan tempatnya deh. Apa ini? Apa yang harus kita ledakan? Itukah kita ledakin? Oh iya benar. That's it. Lo, ternyata harus digeser dulu, astaga.
Sam? Yeah. Let's do this.
Ayo, dorong. Nah, ini dia.
Damn. It's breaked over. All right, let's look around.
Nah, ini dia.
Careful with that thing, kid.
Heads up. God, Jesus. I said heads up.
Oke. Lanjut. Enak ya.
Sam, wait up.
Sam, kemana dia? Oke, logo apa itu? Sepertinya ini puzzle yang sudah dipecahkan sama orang yang udah kesini.
He's got a lot riding on this.
Sabar, Sam. Sam, sabar. Halo. Oke. Squeeze. Oh.
Let's see a treasure, though.
Coming.
Bayangin tahun ratusan Masehi bisa buat pertengahan.
We meet again.
So, what do we got?
Untuk Felicia ya.
More sigils. There's our boy Avery. Thomas
Avery, Thomas 2.
It's Adam Baldridge. It's Joseph Farrell. It's Richard Gere. Pirate captains. All right, so maybe your pirate pool theory wasn't so ridiculous after all. All right, so let's see. What do you think the trick is here? Push a button, pull something. Maybe one of the arms. Give it a shot.
Maybe you're done fondling poor St. Dismas. I think you might want to come take a look at this.
Apa?
Trapezoid is obviously the volcano. The crown is Kings Bay. We got ourselves a map, Jimmy.
Victor, you're a goddamn genius.
Hear that, Nate? Genius.
Yeah. Okay, so if we're here,
You're
this
here.
tower lines up with Avery's sigil. Yeah, so then the other sigils must be the towers from Avery's tower. Well, treasure's got to be in one of them, right?
Which one? I count 12 towers.
Yeah, Victor,
Oh,
you didn't start smoking cigarettes by any chance, did you?
kok ada rokok?
Looks like we're not the first ones here.
Baru lagi rokoknya. Nah kan? Kan, bener kan? Anjir, anjir apa itu cok? Tiba-tiba darah saya segitu. Kemana, berarti kita ke atas. Yuk. Oh shit. Nice. That's how you do it. Oke, dia ke atas, dia ke atas, dia ke atas. Oh no. Nice, mati lu. Aduh, ada lagi. Oh, grenade launcher. Yang satunya. Ayo reload. Bener. Buset, ada lagi. Banyak banget, cok. Oh shit. Oh. Banyak. Oh shit, mati loh. Banyak banget itu. Sumpah. Oh no, ngulangin dari sini. Aduh, Sally. Ah. Oh. Banyak gaya loncat-loncat. Yang bawahnya belum kelar. No. I don't know. Gua nggak tahu lagi bener-bener. Wah, sumpah, armornya kuat banget. Wah, nggak ngerti gue. Berarti kita ambil alternatif lain deh. Oke, mati satu, mati dua. Oke, kita jaga jarak sama dia. Gila, nggak mati-mati, cok. No, itu udah bagus banget padahal udah mati satu. Ngulang lagi. Itu loh. Oh, lari. Turun. Sip. Oke, shotgun. Gila, armornya keras banget. Kita ambil shotgun. Mamam shotgun tuh. Oh shit. Nah, ini dia. Mamam. Mamam lu. Lari. Sip. Come on, Nate. Kita harus turun. Oh, bukan turun ke sini. Tentu saja bukan ke situ, Nate. Ngulang dari awal banget kan. Oh iya, anjir. Anjir, kanan kiri, cok. Welcome. Oke. Coming. Oh no. Oh no, ada shotgun. Oke, itu baru keluar, shotgunnya keluar. Oh shit. Mati. Berapa kali gua kayak gini coba.
What's the drop on him?
Shit. Come on. Buat nge-aim ke kepalanya itu susah banget. Tuh. You know what? Gimana susahnya? Pertama, tempatnya kecil. Kedua, kayaknya memang harus. Gila. Yang kedua, aim gue nggak sebagus itu, bre. Tiba-tiba dari kiri nih. Oh, enggak, untung aja. Son of a bitch. Kita ada tepat di bawah si grenade launcher, jadi kayak harusnya aman. Oh, aduh, shotgun sini sama gua. Nice. Oh no. Shit. Itu dah. Oke, untung aja nggak dari. Really, dude? Really? Oh no. Ngapain, Nate? Take that. Let's go. Just like a monkey. Aduh, aduh. Shit. No, jangan sampai mati. Jangan sampai mati. Please. Oke. Okay. That's it. Kayaknya udah kelar. That's all of them.
Let's hope so. You okay?
AK pelurunya dikit. Udah shotgun aja lah ya, 16 biji. Apa? Peta, map. It's a map.
I figured out the towers too. Location, sigils, the works.
So now
what? Now we're screwed. Because there's 3 of us and there's God knows how many of them, and they have a head start. But they don't know which tower to go.
3 melawan banyak.
That's great, Nathan, because neither do we. Yes, we do. Look, it's a little worn down. Right there, that's a match. Sure, because I mean, it could be this one too. Crap.
but still, 2 beats the hell out of 12.
All right, I'm gonna take this tower. You and Sully, you take that one.
No. Rafe's guys are all over these towers by now.
Exactly, so if we want to have a chance to catch them, then we've got to split up.
Sam, just hold up a second, will you? Nate is right. These towers are at opposite ends of Kings Bay.
Ya udah, kita berpencar. Sam bawa mobilnya, kita sama Sally ke tower deket sini. Oke, ini dia. Itu dia towernya, by the way. Chapter 11, Hidden in Plain Sight. Oke, Plain Sight. Plain. Bukan plain. Plain.
We've seen crazy before.
Oke. Pasar. Permisi, maaf. Tukang daging.
Okay, fine. Here.
Thank you very much, sir. Enjoy your apple and tell your friends.
Enak. Enak ya apelnya. Ayo, lanjut. Masih aja dimakan apel. Ya ampun, dibuang.
Hey Nate, want me to buy you one of these?
Sully, you gotta be crazy to wear a shirt like that.
Crazy handsome.
Astagfirullah. Lanjut. Ayo.
Oh yeah, something smells really good.
That's right.
Ayam.
Does smell good. Oh, watch it. Room.
Dan by the way, itu di sana. Sam lagi ke sana. Informasi aja, for your information.
Here we go. Locked. Guess we're gonna have to sneak it.
Discreetly.
It implies by the use of the word sneak.
Gimana kita?
Sully, we can squeeze through here.
That'll work. Jesus. Long way down.
You okay back there?
You keep your pace. I'll keep mine.
Yeah, at least you got a great view, right?
Mana ini kita? Ke atas. Nice. Let's go.
Okay, let's see what we got.
Let's see what we got.
Edward England sigil, just like the map said.
So what are we looking for?
Good question.
Ini pintu yang tadi. Buka.
This very tall clock tower.
Yes. Yes, it is.
Oke.
Now what do you bet?
We're on to something.
Scorpion.
Large picture.
Zodiac signs. There's Leo.
Leo.
Taurus.
Taurus.
4 signs.
4 bells way up there. And these things in the middle of the floor look like locks.
Got it. Let's go ring some bells.
Aduh.
This is definitely the place. Call Sam.
On it.
Scorpio, Aquarius, Leo, Taurus.
Voice me. Hey, Sam. Looks like we're at the right tower. Call us. They don't have the best coverage in this city.
Well, no reason to wait.
So, what do we do? Oke. Bisa naik yuk. Naik.
I'll be right back. Oh boy! I'll be damned. Check it out, Sully. The clock still works.
Yeah, I noticed. Try not to get tangled in those gears up there.
You bet.
Oke. Kita ke yang satunya. Wait, kita harus gimana kayaknya? Oke, I got it. Kayak gitu cara mainnya ya. Nah, kayak gitu. Aduh, rapu.
It's too close. You okay? Okay, watch your fingers, Nate. No, good. Trust me.
Never heard that before.
Up, nice timing.
Leo. I dated a Leo once.
Wait, sabar. Di bukunya, di catatan si Nate, yang pertama kita harus Scorpio. Oke, Scorpio ada di yang jelas bukan ini. Oke, itu Scorpio. Ini kan? Ya.
Scorpio. But Avery is a Scorpio.
Alright. The first one.
That is really loud.
Hey, Nate, that did the trick.
second one. Habis itu Aquarius. Saya belum lihat Aquarius, jadi yuk lanjut. Aduh. Oh no. Oh. Bukan itu bukan Aquarius. Badak. Oh. Oke. Bukan. Ini kayaknya bukan Aquarius ya. Ini Taurus. Aquarius yang mana nih? Aquarius. Oke, itu dia. Sip, kita turun. Sip. Nice, ini Aquarius nih. Alright, Leo kayaknya paling bawah tadi deh. No, enggak, ini yang paling bawah. Ke atas lagi. Let's see. Oke. Itu Leo. Ini Leo kan? Ini Scorpio, itu Leo. Sip. Yuk, sana. Leo tuh Agustus kalau nggak salah ya. Oke, one to go. One left. Taurus. Sisa Taurus. Yuk. Oke, kita kayaknya harus panjat lagi. Manjat yang pusing-pusing tadi. Nah, itu tuh. Bukan yang pusing-pusing, ngayun-ngayun. Standing by. Come on. Yes. Gila, kuat kali nih orang ya. Oke, sip. Ini dia, Taurus. The last one. Let's go. The worst. Udah? Pelat? Nice. Easy peasy. Big bell at the top. Oke, kita naik. Oh, there you go. Ayo. Masih nulis sudah melompat. Let's go. Oke. Apa ini? Ada switch. Mati ternyata. Ya. Lebih mudah. No. Kita kemana? Kita keluar kah? The big one. Oke, sepertinya kita belum boleh keluar. Ada beberapa yang ada sesuatu. Oke, got it. Oke. Kita buat jembatan lurus. Nah, nice. That's how you do it. Nah, oke, jarum menit. Waduh, patah. Kemana itu patahannya? Untung nggak ke warga. Ya.
Oh, there you are. Sure hope you're doing okay out there, Sam.
Bisa naik, tapi tidak bisa kemana-mana. You know what? Loh. Wih, ini menarik. Kenapa dia kasih jalan? Mungkin karena ada treasure atau apakah? Oke, masih ada tempat naik ya. Wait. Bentar, ini udah paling atas nih. Ada treasure kah? Tidak ada klip. Ah, ada. Nah, ini dia. Nice, lumayan.
Okay, Sully, I made it. This is gonna be loud.
Tong.
Sully, heads up! Sorry, handle broke. I have to bring it myself.
Berani lo ya, Nate ya.
Here we go.
Oke. Jatuh. Timing. Come on. Yes. Aduh. No. Shit. Grapple hook. Okay. Perfect landing. Asalnya mana? Astagfirullah.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, Sully. Oh, shit. At least I got the door open, though, huh?
It's one way to do it. You all right?
Yeah. Give me a hand.
Hey, look. A coin. You want it?
Sure, why not? Let's see what's down here.
Fingers crossed for piles of gold and jewels. Sam, finally, you okay?
You searched my town. I got nothing.
Yeah? No. Good. You're definitely in the right place. Make your way over here.
You serious? Okay, I'm on the way.
He's coming.
Good.
Ini nggak ada flashlight apa?
Sully.
Way ahead of you.
Puzzle.
Those our boys?
Yep. Henry Avery, Thomas too. Partners in crime.
Apa ini?
Founders. Founders of what?
Worst scavenger hunt ever?
There are Avery and two sigils. These are a little different, though.
Yeah. I got those star patterns on them.
They turn. Which way are they supposed to go?
Oh, kayak gitu doang.
Okay. Should we go look?
Yeah, just a second.
More pirate symbols.
Adam Baldridge, Anne Bonny, and Christopher Condit.
Oke, kayaknya kita
There's
harus.
too many permutations.
Let's say we see where that door leads. Still hoping for some treasure, huh?
Hey, look, I was right. Baldridge, Bonny, and Condit.
Splendid.
Wait.
Why are they here in the first place?
Well, let's find out.
Adam Baldridge.
Wow, that mustache. It's almost as big as these stars. They're just like the ones on the Avery and two sigils in the other room.
Yeah, right.
Hello.
That's right, Condit went by. Here's another one of those star patterns.
Yeah, but this one's different than that first one.
Oh, yeah. Good catch.
Thank you. See, I'm not just a pretty face.
Huh. And there was a redhead.
Yeah. What do you think?
These Avery and two sigils. The stars on those lined up, remember? These line up too.
Hmm.
Kayaknya gini. Nice. Ininya tinggal kita geser seperti ini. That's it. Dah. Apa nggak jatuh tuh buku ya? Kertas-kertas kecil kayak gitu. Oke. So hadap kanan, hadap kiri. Salah, ini kebalik. Nice. Dah.
Add another
More
door.
of them.
So, who are these guys?
That's, they are,
You don't know, do you?
hey, there were a lot of pirates out there, you know?
So we're stuck.
No, we're not stuck. Give me your phone.
What, you're gonna phone a friend?
Close. Text a brother.
Okay.
There.
You know, these are actually some nice paintings. If we don't find the treasure, maybe we could
William
sell them to
Mayes.
the museum.
Let's find those star patterns.
Okay, just saying.
William Mays.
American?
Yeah, from Rhode Island. Just like Thomas, too.
Where is it? Nah, itu dia.
Here we go.
Oh, something. Oh, telepon.
You still in the tower?
Yeah, just climb back down. What's with the picture you just sent?
I'll fill you in later. For now, just tell me who's who.
Well, the Dolphins are Richard Wood, Triton is Joseph Farrell, and the two hands with the pearl is William Mays.
All right, great. Stay where there's good reception. Might need your help again.
Nathan, did you find the treasure?
Not yet, but I got a mechanism to solve here. I'll let you know.
Okay.
Whoops. Whoa. This one guy looks like a
That's it.
Hey,
Easy.
Richard Won. He's the captain of the
Just
Dolphins.
easy.
Looks like he and Baldridge were in a best wig competition.
Okay.
Hey, Sully, give me a hand.
Got it.
Thanks. Is it straight?
Who the hell cares?
Well, I care.
Mirip Jack Sparrow.
God, look at Farrell's face. Looks like he'd rather be anywhere else.
Nada. Nuh-uh.
Where is it? Bukan. Orang putus asa gini nih. Mana lagi? Oh ini, ya ampun. Nah, mari kita balik lagi. Kita solve yang ini dulu. Yes, kayak gini. Berarti yang hitam di kanan, ini. Yang gelap di kanan. Yang gelap di kanan ini nusuk sini. Yes, that's it. Oh, lebih banyak lagi. Ada 4 sekarang.
So who do we have here? I'm honestly shocked you don't know this stuff.
I do. I just want to make sure Sam knows. You know, because he likes to feel useful. That's all.
Of course. Shit. What happened here?
A torch probably fell or something. Come on, let's see what's left. I don't recognize this guy.
Looks a lot younger than the other pirates.
Nada. Nuh-uh. That's one.
What the hell? Ya ampun, ini. Oke, ada telepon dari Sam.
Oh, Sam texted me back.
Ah, teks.
Now, see there, Sully? Turns out Sam doesn't know everything I know.
Gloating is unseen.
Let's just look at the paintings.
Edward England, Tariq bin Malik, Yazid Al-Basra.
Huh.
I see it.
This guy's get-up looks
Okay.
Moorish. Huh. Yazid Al-Basra.
Looks Indian.
Close. Muggle.
They're not the muggles, the ones Avery robbed.
Honor among thieves.
Feel like that's ever the case.
Nada.
Cobain aja gini. Wait, serius? Nah, ini dia.
That's 3.
Edward England.
Edward England.
Stout little fella.
Nah, ini di tasnya.
And 4.
Oke, sip.
All right, I got the names of 2 of them. You should still be able to figure this out.
How? Oke. Oke, ini bisa jadi di sini, ini yang di sini. Bisa jadi kayak gini, sip. Kayaknya bukan deh. Oke, bukan. Coba ini kita yang 2. Oke, nggak ada. Oh, berarti bener kayak gitu. Cuma yang ini ininya kayak gini. Sip. Habis itu yang ininya yang banyak. Oke, enggak. I know. Kayak gini. Sip. Habis itu ininya gini. Oke, ininya 1, yes, kayak gini betul. Ya, that's it. Sepertinya sih seperti kayak gini ya, cuma oke, nggak cocok belakangnya. Coba taruh. Mungkin aja ini di sini. Ketukar. Karena dia punya 3 ini. Nah, dan dia punya 3 yang banyak. Nah, that's it. Seperti ini. Nice. Ini dia. Berarti madep bawah, madep kanan, bawah, madep kiri. Kanan, bawah, kanan, bawah, kiri, bawah, kanan, bawah, kiri. Sip. Bawah, ngadep kanan, bawah, ngadep kiri. Sip, that's it. Boom.
What do we got?
Not sure yet.
Maybe send it to Sam?
Really?
Hey, you're the one who said he's the pirate expert. Just saying.
Take foto.
Okay, that's one.
Okay. Kita kirim ke Sam.
And two. Last one.
And the last one.
All right, let's see what he makes of them.
You know, that kind of looks like. What are you doing?
Okay,
Just
they are
took
here.
pictures.
Hold it. You know, Avery's recruits would have had smartphones, obviously.
Obviously.
So this would have been the only way for them to get to the next clue.
These are clues.
Let me see. Voila.
All right. These could be trade winds. Yep. And these look like latitudes. And so I would guess that we are packing my bags again, boy. What?
Rodeos called Licencia. No, it can't be.
Can't be what?
Apa?
Oh, that's so obvious.
Nate.
Why didn't I see this before?
Jesus, enough of the beautiful mind shit. What the hell are you talking
Just
about?
hang on. Sam, did you get the photos?
Here I am, calling what I thought was Sullivan's phone, and look who picks up. How you been, Nate?
Hey, Rafe. Been a long time. How did you get this number? Sullivan leave it on a cocktail napkin?
I wish. That only would have cost me a few shots of rum, right? No, I had to pay top dollar.
Oke.
Guys.
Plot twist, ternyata si handphonenya si Sam
Yeah, you pulled off some
disadap
moves
sama
there.
si
But in the end, all that matters is who gets to Avery's treasure first.
Well, that sounds like a bet.
Hey, Nate, you know I'm always game, but my partner, well, she prefers to mitigate unnecessary risks.
Wow. Rafe Adler, taking orders from somebody else. Oh, how times have changed.
Look, Nate, I'm gonna make you a one-time offer here. You drop everything. Go home, live your life. I'm willing to forgive and forget. For old time's sake. As tempting as that sounds, Rafe.
I gotta say, I'm not normally the kind of guy who likes to quit while he's ahead.
Okay. Rodeo's called Licencia. God and liberty. These are nice pictures, Nate. Good composition.
Who hacked our phones?
You stole my cross. Listen, Nate. If you're half as smart as you think you are, you'll accept my offer. It's been big.
Listen, as nice as it's been to catch up with you, I really gotta take this call, so.
Nate, one more thing. Nate,
What?
you do realize that your phones are equipped with GPS, right? I'll see you soon, buddy.
Shit. Let me guess. Goons with guns on their way here now.
Sam, for God and liberty. Nathan, do you understand what this means?
Sam, listen to me.
Get off the streets right now and destroy
Your phone.
What's going on?
Rafe knows where we are. You gotta find someplace to hide.
oh shit.
Sam? Sam!
Okay, here we go again.
Hey,
Buy a new one.
Oke, intens lagi. Yuk, mari. Intens kembali. Aku sendiri di sini menunggu. Aku sendiri di sini menunggu. Gimana sih lagunya? Nggak tahu, saya lupa. Oke, keadaan masih aman-aman saja.
Sully.
Itu dia tower dari Sam yang saya bilang tadi.
it's definitely Sam's tower. Come on. This way. Pardon me.
Excuse me.
Harden.
Excuse me, what? How
Oh,
long you
my-
think before Rafe gets here?
Let's not stick around to find out.
Oke. Excuse me.
Sorry,
Oh,
pal.
maaf.
Come on, down
Oh shit. Oh no. I know. Aduh, 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 aduh. Nice. That was a good shot. Oh. Oh shit. Oh no, masih hidup ternyata. Oh no. Begitu sulit, mati lagi. Pulang dari okay, come on. Oh no. Bisa naik, bisa naik. Oh, let's go. Aduh. Oke, oke, timingnya. Itu nggak boleh sekarat tuh. Pas di situ. Nice. That was a good shot. Mari. Langsung ke kitchen. Sip. Oh no, shit. Naik. This is it. Lari, cepet. Aduh. Why? Kenapa tidak bisa, bro? Langsung saya ke sini kali ya. Wait a minute. Nembus. Ngebak, cok. Lo. Halo bagaimana ini? Astaga. Lu lihat. Tiba-tiba di sini coba. Halo. Cok. Benar. Start checkpoint. Tadi di sini kan. Anjir, dari kanan tuh. Kayak kita harus gerak deh, nggak bisa diem deh. Oke. Cari jalan lain. Shit. No, crap. Astagfirullahaladzim. Hari-hari tidur pagi. Siapa suruh tidur pagi? Anjir kagak mati-mati gila. Tinggal 18 lagi peluru. Shit. Woi. That's why. That's how you play. Aduh. Sumpah ini nggak bisa asal lari, bro. Ini sekali kena beredem tuh langsung sekarat, tau gak sih? Tuh langsung sekarat, bro. Itu sudah setengah darah itu. Tiba-tiba jangan bilang ada yang tiba-tiba ngeflying dari kiri. Nice, mati. Come on. Oh shit. Oke, lari ke atas. Nice. Oh shit. Wih, bego. Anjir. Udah. Gas. Oh shit. Oh. Oke, mobil kita. Yuk. Let's go. Ayo, Saul. Come on.
How do we get to Sam? We just keep heading downhill. Brilliant. Jake, forward. Hang on. Oh, Christ.
Shortcut. Ya, you know lah. Ambil kiri. Sip. Ambil kanan. Sip. Oh shit. Awas, permisi. Hati-hati.
Like amazing. Well, just keep heading down.
Keep your head down. Aduh. Nice. No. Oh.
Where the hell are you going? You're the one who said just head down. Coming through. Oh, this was really a great idea, Nate. Do you want to drive? Oh, you're doing just fine. See? I got it. Crap. This guy's don't give up.
Lasin.
Okay,
Yes.
through here. Oh, stop.
Oh shit. Macet.
Come on, get out of here. Go. I'm just gonna cut through here. What am I supposed to do now? Hey, up those stairs.
Oke, itu dia tangga itu yang disebut kali kan. Oke, kawan. Let's go.
Man, Rafe really wants us out of the picture. Do you think? Think we lost? Hey, Nate. Yeah? We can never
Mobilnya liar, Cok.
to this shit. Add it to the list.
Oh.
Really? We're gonna pull back. We'll go around. Hang on.
truck get past that?
Oh, belok kanan.
Wait, don't worry, I got this. Yes, I got this.
Oh.
I don't got this.
Itu dia towernya si Sam. Ayo, mari. Kita langsung gas ke atas.
We're close. Keep an eye out for Sam. Hey, I think that's him. Right there.
Mana? Oh itu. Aduh, lagi dikejar, lagi dikejar.
Guys, they're doing.
How do we get to him?
Damned if I know. Keep following that convoy.
Terus kita ikutin jembatannya aja.
You think they set enough goons after us?
Well, we're still alive, so maybe not.
Oh no. Segala. Oke, itu ikutin terowongannya aja. Roaster. Kok toaster sih? Toaster mah buat manggang roti. Roaster.
There they are.
See any way to get to Sam?
Itu dia.
We're running out of road, kid.
I know.
Dang.
End of the way. Nate.
Take the wheel.
Oh, oke. Grapple. Let's go. Oh, oke. Sip. Nah juga untuk. Saya sudah mencoba untuk menghindar loh. Naik. Sip. Naik lagi dong. Halo, naik lagi dong. Halo, keseret nih. Bentar. Oh, nice. Hello everyone. Udah belum tidur lu, Dap. Gue liat. Easy peasy. Come on. Nice and easy. Ini aja ya, Rafika aja. Halo, nggak ada mobil kah? Nggak ada mobil kah? Ini udah bro. Oke, ke depan. No, ke depan. Nice. Oh shit, masih hidup. Sampai kotor tuh muka Nate. Let's go. Oh no. Here we go again. Tabrak ini. Habis lu. Oh shit. Meledak lu. Mati nih gue ini lama-lama nih kayak gini nih. Nice. Tinggal 8 peluru. Mati kan? DC Fab Ipul main ntar 145 Ipul main kayaknya dah.
Gotta get the Sam fast.
Sabar cok. Main ini dulu, ini seru nih. Oh, kita clearin dulu. Baru kita kalah tuh. Nice. Oh shit. Nice. Sambil naik yuk, udah nggak ada ammo. Naik yuk. Nggak ada ammo, no ammo. Nggak ada ammo. Cepet naik. Kok nggak bisa nembak? Oh no, mobil kita sudah mulai berasap. Itu dia tumpangan kita selanjutnya. Sabar rap. Lu nonton Fab? Iya, nonton. Ayo mau nobar. Nice, wah. Itu dia Sam. Depan kita persis. Oh no. Bocil kagak jelas, Cok. Bukan. Sam, it's me, Nathan. Ya kan lu, mamam kan lu, mati kan lu, satu-satu, jatuh kan lu, satu-satu, pepet, yes, itu dia. Yo nobar, kekalahan Ipul ah, jangan gitu lu dah, menang ini Ipul. Ayo nobar ya, bener ya. Oh, tertabrak. Oke, yuk kita ke atas. Aduh, kebakar dong. Cepet. Nice. Sip. Yuk.
No blimmin' way you could have survived that. What chance of holy shit, he's still alive!
Nice. Untung pakai yang bredel. Waduh. Nah, ini dia. Sam. Ganet. Katanya suruh tembak. Mana? Oke, ini. Let's go. Wah, ini ikonik banget pakainya, Pak. Gila, ini beberapa kali muncul di YouTube saya nih. Let's go. Ini ikonik banget nih. Bener. Masuk kontainer. Oke, jago sekali nih. Nice, dak bakar. Buset nih truk masih. So that's it.
Holy shit. Yeah. You good? Yeah. Let's get out of here.
Tapi yang kurang dari game ini adalah polisi nggak nggak terlibat di sini. Gua nggak tahu kenapa. Padahal kerusuhan yang terjadi, kerusuhan yang ada itu bener-bener rusuh banget.
This looks like a simple cipher. Forgotten Liberty. Means their damn motto, all the Paradise references. I can't believe we missed it.
See, you two made it out okay.
Way better than okay. We found the battalion.
What are you?
Libertalia. Seems Avery founded the legendary pirate colony. It's more of a pirate utopia, really.
Okay, but what about the treasure?
See, as the story goes, this place provided a safe haven for hundreds, maybe even thousands of pirates, and they shared everything. Property, resources.
Money?
They kept it all in one common treasure building.
Okay, so where is this common pirate sanctuary?
Right here. That island, just northeast of Kings Bay.
Northeast of Kings
Rafe
Bay.
has a copy of this.
Well, by the time Rafe figures it out, we'll be well on our way to Libertalia. I'm telling you, that treasure is as good as ours. Shit.
What? Alena.
How's the Malaysia job going, Nate? Seems like you're a hair off course.
Man, it's not what it looks like.
Really? Because what it looks like is that you're searching for Henry Avery's buried treasure. And given the shoreline soldiers that are all over town, I bet you're not the only ones looking for it.
All right, well, I guess it's kind of what it looks like. But I can explain. Look, it's gonna sound crazy.
Try me.
For starters, this is Sam. Sam Drake. My brother.
Sam Drake.
I'm sorry.
I thought he had died in a Panamanian jail. But I was obviously very wrong. He's been stuck in there for 50
Gak jadi nobar nih Fab, emang udah ada. Gari TV itu di yang waktu itu gua kasih linknya. Ada di skor 808 kalau nggak salah deh. Waktu itu lu cari aja di Google skor 808.
A Malaysia job?
Elena, wait!
I don't get you.
Look, I wanted to tell you.
You know what? Enough.
No, I wanted to, but how could I?
I don't know. Just say it.
I had to protect you.
That is bullshit, Nate. You just didn't have the nerve to face me again.
I knew you would react like this.
How would you react? You lied to me for weeks. If you were killed, I wouldn't have even known about it. And now you have a brother.
Dia baru tahu justru.
Who are you?
Me. Come on, it's me. It's different this time. I have to save him. I don't even care about the treasure.
The look on your face when you walked into this room. If you're done lying to me, then you should stop lying to yourself.
Si Nate juga mau lah harta karunnya. Nggak mungkin nggak
Do what
mau.
you have to do.
Assalamualaikum, waalaikumsalam. Ya Allah, Pan. Anda masih bangun saja.
Go after her.
We're not done here.
Well, maybe we should be.
What are you saying?
I'm saying maybe there's a smarter way to save Sam.
Such as?
Such as we give him a new identity. We put him in hiding somewhere.
He's been in prison for 15 years. He's not going into hiding.
Okay, fine. You go after your wife. Sam and I will head off for Libertalia.
Without me? Come on, you'll get both of you killed.
Really? Kid, I've been doing this for a hell of a long time. I think I might be able to
Hey, you
handle...
want to be helpful, Sullivan? Go keep
Sullivan.
an eye on her.
Oke, berarti si Sally nggak ikut. Si Sally nemenin si Elena, aka istrinya si Nate.
Pack your bags.
Ini bocah pada belum tidur ya. Astagfirullah. Part 12 at sea. Oke, berarti kita berdua doang.
Yeah. Land ho. You think about that, huh? That's pretty cool. Take the wheel for a second. All this running around, surviving by the skin of our teeth. I think we've actually taken a moment to step back and appreciate just how far we've come. Say Parvis Magnum. Say Parvis Magnum. Yeah. Listen, little brother. She will get over it. And we bring back a treasure like that anyway.
Oke, bener juga.
Maybe I've done this one too many times.
Ya memang. Ranger 1, 2, 3. Dan Nate seperti yang kita tahu, yang Uncharted 4 Lost apa gitu, Lost Legacy. Lost Legacy bukan ini lagi kan, bukan Nathan Drake lagi kan, bukan si Nate lagi. Dan kayaknya gue closing nih. Oke, gue closing. Oke. Sip. Terima kasih yang sudah nonton. Terima kasih banyak. Terima kasih banyak yang sudah nonton. Kayaknya udah nggak ada orang ya sini. Ya sudah lah ya. Kita save dulu. Save 2022. Ini dia. Aku sendiri di sini menunggu. Dah, terima kasih yang sudah nonton. Dah, bye bye.